Hey guys, I'm showing you this throwing knives. This is a OEL store and throwing axes and Tomahawks. This is a 3-pack set with a bottle opener and nylon sheath. So as you can see, they are really sharp with the sharp edges, and it's like for the throwing. So this is for your recreation thing or the competition or wherever you want to practice. So see the sharp edges, so be careful with it, and is a very nice build from the corners and everything. So this also have the bottle opener that I will show you. Is a high quality 3CR13 stainless steel and comes with this protective casing, and these are the knives that you can see. So you can use that to hit the targets like this and to release your stress or for competition or anything any way you want. So like the sharp and accurate knives. So these are like the axes are with the 5 wrenches of different sizes for some emergencies, and the knives have the bottle opener that you can see. So this nylon covering is very nice to keep it, and as I said, like you can see the bottle opener on the side of this knife so that you can open the bottles. And just keeping in back because these are the sharp ones, so you can easily carry them wherever you want. So put all the 3 knives all together. So basically it's a nice set for your fun or stress release or any other work. Same thing with the axe. Here you can use it for different purposes as a tool as well. So hope you like this, and this will be helpful for your throwing games and any other product.